Before starting the assembling, the customer needs to make an order, and the customer makes the order in an app. First you choose factory, and then during the menu up to the left you choose place order, and then you have 5 different products to choose between. When the customer makes his or her order, a QR code is generated. When the operator arrives to the assembly station, he first starts to check into the assembly station with his jacket, and after that he scans the QR code with the scanner, like this, and then he gets the right assembly instructions on the screen over there, and with his pedal he is stepping through the assembly instructions. So now we start with the assembly, and the first step is that the robot picks a part over here.
Självklart.
The operator fixed the part A in the fixture, and after that he steps forward with the pedal, and the next sequence is that the robot will pick a blue box over here. While the robot is picking a blue box, the operator picks 2 springs and plays on the product. At the same time as the robot picks a blue box, it makes a quality control with the vision in the arm to control that the operator has placed 2 springs. The operator picks a yellow part and plays on the product. The robot leaves the blue box and picks another one. The operator picks a blue part, places it on the product, and picks the screws. The screws are placed, and with both his hand he holds the product down to press the springs down, and after that he starts with the pedal the sequence where the robot picks the screwdriver. The screwdriver fixes the part with the screw. And after that, go back to the home position. The operator picks the small screwdriver and fixes the two other screws. After that, the operator are finished and makes a big smile.